Good morning, all of you. Today we will discuss about the solution of this question. Okay, if sum of two numbers is 1215 and their SCF is 81, then the possible number of pairs of such numbers are 2 or 3 or 4 or 5. Yes or no? So first of all, we underline the keywords, the key statement of this question. That is, sum of two numbers is 1215. Yes or no? And second key line is their HCF is 81. Okay. In this question, we discuss about two numbers. So first of all, we let the two numbers be capital X and capital Y. Yes or no? Okay. So according to question, sum of two numbers equals to 1215. Yes or no? So we can write capital X plus capital Y equals to 1215. That is equation number 1. Yes or no? So after that, our second key line is their HCF is 81. So HCF, according to question, HCF of X comma Y is equals to 81. Yes or no? So HCF is 81. Now we factorize 81. If we divide 3, then we get 3 2 ja 6. Remainder 2 2 1 21. 3 7 ja 21. 3 9 ja 27. 3 3 ja 9 and 3 1 ja 3. It means we can write 81 as 3 raised to the power 1 2 3 4. 3 raised to the power 4. Yes or no? Okay. Now HCF of these number equals to 81. It means what is HCF? Yeah, how to calculate HCF? HCF equals to lowest power of each prime factor. Yeah, each factor. Yes or no? Since HCF of X and Y equals to 81, it means X and Y, X and capital Y do not contain 3, more than 4 power. Yes or no? Why? Because if capital X and capital Y contain the power of 3 more than 4, then its HCF is change. Yes or no? Its HCF is not 81. क्यों बेटा? अगर X और Y में 3 की हाईएस्ट पावर 4 से ज़्यादा हो जाएगी, 4 से ग्रेटर हो जाएगी, तो कॉमन क्या आएगा? 3 की पावर 4 ना के 3 की पावर 5 कॉमन आएगा, तो HCF क्या हो जाएगा? चेंज. इट मीन्स X एंड Y डू नॉट कंटेन 3 मोर देन पावर 4, मतलब 3 की पावर 4 से ज़्यादा कॉमन नहीं आएगा. यस और नो? ओके. सो from equation first, we can say capital X contain maximum 3 की power 4. Yes or no? So we can write 81. 3 की power 4 means 81 into small x. plus y can be replaced as 81 into small y equals to 1215. Yes or no? Here we take common, that is 81. That quantity which we take common, divide by each term. 81 से 81 cancel, x plus 81 से 81 cancel, y equals to 1215. Yes or no? So here we can apply transposition rule. Yes or no? If we shift 81 from LHS to RHS, then it will be in divide. Yes or no? So we can write x plus y is equals to 1215 upon 81. Yes or no? Okay. Yes, 8 plus 1 equals to 9. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 5, 9. It means if the sum of digits of a number is divided by 9, then given number is also divided by 9. Yes or no? So here we can divide numerator and denominator by 9. 9 9 ja 81 and 9 1 ja 9. Remainder 3. 3 1 31. 9 3 ja 27. 31 minus 27, it gives 4. 4 5 45. 9 5 ja 45. Yes or no? If we again divide by 3, both numerator and denominator, then 3 3 ja 9. Yes or no? And 3 4 ja 12. Remainder 1 1 5 15. 3 5 ja 15. 3 1 ja 3. 3 1 ja 3 and 3 1 5 15. 3 5 ja 15. It means x plus y equals to 15. Yes or no? Okay. So if we put x equals to 1, if we put x equals to 1, then we get 1 plus y equals to 15. It means y equals to 15 minus 1, it means 14. Then we get y equals to 14. Yes or no? Okay. Here no factor या no number is common in the value of x and y. So it is the possible values of these numbers. Yes or no? Okay. Now if we put x equals to 2, then we get 2 plus y equals to 15, then y equals to 13. Yes or no? Okay. So it is another possible pair of values of x and y, small x and y, because x and y do not contain any common number. Yes or no? After that, if we put x equals to 3, then we get 3 plus y equals to 15. It means y equals to 15 minus 3. It means y equals to 12. Yes or no? Here 3 is common in x and y. 3 is common in small x and small y. So it will change HCF. Yes or no? It will change HCF. बेटा अगर हमने यहाँ x को रिप्लेस कर दिया 3 और y से, 3 एंड y इक्वल्स टू 12 से, तो 3 की पावर 5 कॉमन हो जाएगी ना, तो अब HCF जो होगा वो 81 नहीं होगा। ठीक है, HCF में क्या होगा, 3 की पावर 4 और इंटू 1 मोर 3, इट मीन्स 3 की पावर 5, तो HCF चेंज हो जाएगा। इसलिए वी कैन नॉट कंसिडर x इक्वल्स टू 3। Yes or no? Now if we take x equals to 4, then we get 4 plus y equals to 15. It means y equals to 11. Yes or no? Here x and y do not contain any common factor. It means it is also the possible value of such pairs. Yes or no? After that we put the value of x equals to 5, then we get 5 plus y equals to 15. It means y equals to 10. Yes or no? Here 5 is common in x and y. Yes or no? So we can write 5 is common in x and y. So it will change the HCF of capital X and capital Y? Yes or no? क्योंकि कैपिटल एक्स और कैपिटल वाई में 3 की पावर 4 ऑलरेडी कॉमन है, साथ में 5 और इंटू 5 और कॉमन आ जाएगा, तो HCF क्या हो जाएगा 81 इंटू 5, तो HCF चेंज हो जाएगा. सो वी कैन नॉट पुट द वैल्यू ऑफ x equals to 5. Yes or no? Okay. Now we take x equals to 6. Then we get 6 plus y equals to 15. Then y equals to 9. Yes or no? Here 3 2 is 6, 3 3 is 9. Here 3 is common in x and y. Which change लिख सकते हैं? Which change या it will change the HCF of capital X and capital Y? Yes or no? क्योंकि कैपिटल X और कैपिटल Y में 3 की पावर 4 ऑलरेडी कॉमन आ रहा है. अब इसमें बेटा अगर 3 की 1 मोर पावर कॉमन आ जाएगी तो HCF क्या हो जाएगा? चेंज हो जाएगा. 81 ना होके 81 इंटू 3 हो जाएगा. यस और नो? ओके. सो वी कैन नॉट पुट द वैल्यू ऑफ x इक्वल टू 6 to required such numbers whose sum is 1 to 15. Yes or no? Now we take x equals to 7. Then we get y equals to 7 plus y equals to 15. It means y equals to 8. Yes or no? Here x and y do not have any common number, so it is also a possible pair, a possible result. Yes or no? If we put x equals to 8, then we get y equals to 7, so these all pairs are repeated. Yes or no? Okay, so all possible pairs of such numbers equals to 1 2 3 4. Yes or no? Here option C is correct. Yes or no? Okay, that's